Hello, primary! Welcome to our remote learning assembly for Friday, May 8th. I hope you've had a great week. I hope that you're continuing to post your work on Seesaw or in Google Classroom, that you are taking some brain breaks, and that you're having some fun along the way. This week we have a presentation from Miss Jan's class. They have a video for us that they made about Earth Day a few weeks ago. We have a family dance challenge from NAMI in grade 1D. Miss Debbie's class, she and her mother did the family dance challenge. And then we have a video from Miss Beata's class on dancing to the song Twist Your Frown Upside Down. And I'll bet you can't watch that without smiling. Enjoy the presentations. Miss Avril will be here as well with the learner profile recognition. And we also have the birthdays. And I'll see you at the end of the assembly.
你的一字一句犹如草花花心上，我的一举一动随你改变多荒唐，任你肆意遗忘，都从没去想你是有多嚣张。
I can help the earth by cleaning the earth, by planting the trees, loving the people of the earth.
You should always care about the earth or the earth will get hotter and hotter.
I am grateful for the clean air we have and for the trees that produce oxygen and the trees that produce food.
Here's Earth Day report. E is for electricity saving. Id, and then A is for amazing. 2. R, recycle tea things. 3. Help the earth. 4. Don't waste water. 5. Are you good at this? 6. Yes to electric cars because they don't pollute the earth. Bye.
I can help the earth by being nice to my friends. I can help the earth by putting trash into the bin. I can help the earth by loving it. One, two, three.
Hi, Miss Jen. This is how I can help the earth.
This is how we can save the earth by recycling. Today's Earth Day, and on my paper I wrote Earth Day, recycle please.
Hello Primary School, Miss Avril here. I hope you guys are well and fine. I'm going to read out the Learner Profile nominations for this week. Let's start with the Enthusiasm Award. Miss Michelle has nominated Amelia in grade 3. Amelia takes out time to practice her recorder every week. She has something prepared all the time and plays it beautifully on her recorder. Keep up the good attitude. Miss Julie would like to nominate Luke for art in grade 3. Luke has been going back to the original art challenges and challenging himself to build with Lego. He made 5 different vehicles and commented exceptionally well what each vehicle was used for. He also displayed his work really well. Miss Ginny would also like to nominate Beata in art in grade 2. Beata explains enthusiastically what she's doing and what her artworks are all about. She uses art language during her comments. Well done, Beata. Miss J, for drama, would like to nominate Malik in EY3. Malik always takes on new challenges with excitement. He portrays different characters using their voices, bodies, and props around them. He can tell a story in such a way that makes the audience feel completely engaged. Miss J would also like to nominate in drama Hayley in EY3. Hayley always takes on new challenges with excitement. She portrays different characters using their voice and bodies and props around them, and she can also tell a story in such a way that makes all of us feel engaged. Let's give these guys a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Now we're moving on to the Principal Award. In grade 5, Miss K has nominated Martin Haller. Martin has been very principled by making sure that he submits his work on time, and if he does not understand something, he will ask questions to get clarification. He's been enthusiastic and participates well with his exhibition group. Haller has cooperated and submitted work on time and makes sure that she completes the relevant tasks in the time that she's due. She's able to communicate and participate in the group work related to the exhibition with such a positive attitude. Miss Anna has nominated in grade 4 Fidel and Simon. They have worked consistently, submitting their work online. They put in lots of effort with their work, and they always know when their work will be finished and what it would look like. Well done. Miss Pamela would like to nominate in grade 5 Jaden. Jaden has been consistently staying on task for the last 3 weeks in a row and ensuring and checking to see that he's up to date with his tasks. Miss Jeannie in art would like to nominate Maria in grade 1D. Maria has been very committed to do all her art. She goes over and beyond the required activities and comments very well and in detail on her artwork. Well done, Maria. Miss Jimmy would also like to nominate Anandre in EY2. Anandre has been very committed to doing her art. She goes over and beyond the required activities and she always makes comments on her artwork. Well done, Anandre. Can we give them a whoosh? 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to Risk Taker Award. Miss Michelle has nominated Luke in grade 3. Luke has also composed and shared his COVID-19 rap with confidence. Well done, Luke. He actually wrote that himself. Miss Michelle would like to acknowledge Evandro in grade 2B. Evandro was a risk taker as he shared some good rhythms. Using glasses and jars, he played some steady and upbeat rhythms. Well done, Evandro. Miss Michelle would like to nominate Cole in EY3. Cole sang a couple of songs with lyrics and full length of the songs, keeping a tune, and he sang it expressively. It was such a pleasure listening to all Cole's songs. He was a risk taker, singing and expressing himself so confidently. Well done, Cole. Let's give them a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Balanced Award, Miss Debbie in grade 2 has nominated Yapi. During their remote learning, Yapi has demonstrated how he has been balanced with his learning. He plans for a week and posts activities for class and specialists, also sharing how active he remains at home. Well done, Yapi. Let's give him a big whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Our Communicator Award, Miss Debbie has nominated in grade 2 Ariel. Ariel has been a great communicator during the remote learning. She will confidently ask questions if she doesn't understand what she needs to do. She shares her understanding and new knowledge about the rabbit during our unit presentations confidently. Well done, Ariel. In grade 5P, Jaden again has been nominated. Ensures smooth communication between himself and his exhibition group and his mentor every week, attending meetings and rescheduling if there are challenges. Well done, Jaden. Keep it up, buddy. You are halfway through the exhibition. In EY1, Ayana has been nominated. Ayana is using different forms of communication to present her completed work on Seesaw and shows understanding of what she's learnt with great effort and confidence. And in drama, we have these students that have been nominated by Miss J. We have Alia, Noor, Amelia, Helmina, Jean, and Witufe. They understand how to structure a story so that the audience can follow the plot line and empathize with the characters. Uses their own creativity and inspiration to create new insights into classic stories. Let's give these guys a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our Carrie nomination this week, Miss Beata has been nominated by Miss Jan. Every week, Miss Beata phones me and talks me through setting up a Zoom meeting with my class. Great collegial support. Thank you, Miss Beata, says Miss Jan. Let's give Miss Beata a big whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our next nomination this week, we have knowledgeable. Miss Kachia has nominated Beck in EY2. Beck shows himself as a knowledgeable student. He completes his task with great effort and shows an understanding in a recorded comment and video. Miss Jan has nominated Ina in grade 1. Ina is a very knowledgeable and she's also very, very good at baking. She shared step-by-step movie clips about how to make chocolate cupcakes. Check the 1J blog if you would like to learn more. Miss Jan has also nominated Ezra in grade 1. Ezra is very knowledgeable about 3D shapes. He discovered many 3D shapes and shared a very interesting movie about them. Check out the Oryx if you would like to learn more. Let's give these knowledgeable guys a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our Thinker Award, we have Miss Michelle, who's nominated Anandre in EY2. Anandre this week created a beautiful shaker and a hand drum, and she was a thinker as she carefully reflected and shared the process while making the instruments. Anandre was creative and enjoyed the process at the same time. Well done, Anandre. Miss Debbie in grade 1D would like to nominate Maria. Maria asked Miss Debbie last week if she could set a challenge for the class, and the task was creative and well thought through. Thank you for the fun activity. Well done. Miss Debbie has also nominated Taigusa. Tia had to build a bridge for the gnomes. Before building the bridge, she thought about what the structure of the bridge would look like. That led her to look at some real-life bridges and to draw from the inspiration from those real-life bridges. So well done, Tia. Can we give those guys a big whoosh? 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our Open-Minded Award, Miss J in Drama has nominated Giselle, Fiza, Julia, Cosmea, and Candace in grade 4. They can approach dramatic writing and performing from many different creative angles, like in the reinterpretation of Shakespeare classics such as Much Ado About Nothing, understand the dramatic potential of the written word, and how to differentiate between the actors and the narrator. So let's give these open-minded girls a big whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Our final nomination and special mention for the week goes from Miss Pamela in grade 5P. If you do not know, grade 5P, grade 5 and themselves, grade 5P and grade 5K are going through the PYP exhibition process, which is the final process in the PYP if you've been in the primary years program. And these guys are doing their own inquiries. So they're planning the inquiries, they're setting the inquiries, they're researching for the inquiries, they're asking questions, they're taking action. They're doing a lot of things right now, and they're doing it remotely. So hats off to all the grade 5s. But Miss Pamela would like me to mention a few students in grade 5. So I've got Charlie, I've got Matthew, I've got Benjamin Oldenburg, and I've got Joan. These 4 students have been mentioned as a special mention because they are showing a lot of commitment to their research and units of inquiry, always communicating their steps and findings with the teacher. I wish them, let's give them a whoosh, 1, 2, 3. And can I wish all the grade 5s a special mention and good luck. This is not the ideal situation that we would do the exhibition in, but they're taking it by the horns, as we say, and they're taking it by themselves and they're doing it in their own way. So let's wish them well. I also would like to wish the grade 5s during the exhibition. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Until next time, primary school, I wish you well. Goodbye. Take care.
Well, that's our assembly for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, Sunday is a special day, and I think you all know which day it is because you had an art and French and Portuguese activity to do this week. It's Mother's Day, and I hope you do something special for your mother. Be sure to thank her for all the things that she's doing for you and make her day special. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next Friday. Bye.